Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today I am here to help Maria. This is the design that we have chatted through. This is the kind of container that she kind of has. Hers is a beautiful colour, mine's just plain black, but it will do. But it's the same dimensions and it's also got the same opening. Maria absolutely loves hippeastrums and she wanted to know how many she would need. She got them home, they arrived at her place, and what happened was they kept falling down. She had 4 pieces of hanging amaranthus. I think I found 3, so that's okay. So we've got those. And she wanted to know what to do to connect the hanging amaranthus with the hippeastrums and what other greens. So I said, you just leave it to me. I'll do a tutorial. I might be able to help more people with the same kind of design concept. So give me a moment. I'll strip this and then I'll show you how easy it is to put together. Here we go. The first things to go in, Maria, which is what you already have, is the hanging amaranthus. I've only got 3, so 3 is what we're going to have to work with. If you want to put your 4th one in, put it over that side. Now already we've got this beautiful form. You can take these in if you want to, just a little bit closer, or you can make them a little bit shorter, or you can make them a bit longer. To make them a bit longer, all you need to do is to get your stem and you can just hang it like that. Oh, that's not very good, Asta. That's not very good at all. I'll go to that one there. Just bend that stem over so that it goes over and closer into your container. The next is the hippeastrums. Okay. The issue is this vase, the cavity of this vase is from there up to here, and that is too short. It's far too short. And when you put those in, let me show you what will happen. And that's exactly what Maria was dealing with. It just looked like a big round blob at the top of her vase. So here's the way to solve that. You decide where you want them to be. So I always put them into my hand like this. And I think, oh, yeah, I quite like it. Yeah, that's exactly how I want them. And I want the eye to go up the vase, and then I want to see one at the opening of the vase, and then them to all just transition up. Now, you could stick them all in together like that, or what you can do is this. So what I've done is I've got a bamboo stick and I've cable tied that onto there so that I've got it a little bit longer. So that's going to go to there. Maybe that's not quite long enough yet. So let's just, I wish I had a longer one, but I don't, but I think we can fix it. So it's just a matter of getting your cable tie and then just putting that. Now you do need to use 2, and the reason you do the 2 is because see that there, see how it's like got that wee bend on, and it's just going to have a life of its own. We as designers want the control. So doing 2 onto here, and I could have used clear ones, but look, I didn't have clear ones, so I've just used those. Now how are we going here? Still about the same height, but I think that we can manage this. So I'm going to put the first one in. I'm going to put the next one in like so, and I can decide where I want that to go. Oops, we've got a bit too much. Oh, goodness me. We've got a bit much happening here, so let's just be very neat and tidy about how we do it. This one can go down. Do you know what I'm going to do? Because that's just moving. Watch this. Okay, so if it's still not doing it, see, I've been doing these kind of flowers for years and years and years, and it still does it to me. Okay, so when they go into there, they're going to sit about there. We won't have any nonsense from flowers falling down. No, we will not. We will take control of this, and we will do cable ties on the stems, just like so, so that we can establish some balanced order before we start. Oh, actually, I like it better than what it was when we started because I've got a little bit of length there. But if I wanted more length and those down a bit further, it's just a matter of pulling that down like so. Oh, see, it's all about the control. Perfect. Now let's put in the hanging amaranthus. One to there, one can go over to there, and the other bit can go around and into there. Just as long as you've sort of got equal distance between your placements, you'll be fine. And you might have to have a fiddle when you get to the other end, but look, it's okay. Now, another foliage to go into there, just to connect things. Bamboo there. See, it's still got a bit of a wobble on, but I'm going to fix that any moment from now as I stick those down into there, and that's turning the wrong way, but that's okay, we can fix that because nothing in nature is perfect. So don't beat yourself up. And then I've got one bit left. I'm just going to bring that. Where can I put that? Oh, look at that. Doesn't that just look beautiful and elegant? If you want those to drop down just a wee bit further, by all means, just pull these out until they get to where you want them. Now, as I'm looking at this, I'm actually deciding, see how that flower is going the wrong way? I would fix that before you go any further. But the whole exercise today was how to put short stems into a long vase. And I solved that with satay stick, garden stick. You could use bamboo, whatever you've got. Just use that, couple of cable ties, and you're ready to go. I will fix this up so that when we do the pickups, you can see that I can do nice, neat flowers when I'm not in a hurry. Because I'm not in a hurry, I just thought I'd rush through this so that Maria got it. Anyway, that's me over and out. Enjoy this type of designing, and I'll see you again another day.